In this video, we will look at PCM and BMS, which are responsible for battery management. Batteries have voltage. Batteries can charge and discharge within this voltage range. When charging, the voltage goes up, and when discharging, the voltage goes down. What happens if you keep discharging at this point? The battery becomes 0 volt and eventually dies. To prevent this, a separate circuit is needed. There are mainly two types, PCM and BMS. Before seeing where they are used, let's briefly look at serial and parallel connections. Serial means connecting the positive and negative terminals of batteries in sequence. The abbreviation S is used. So, 3S means 3 batteries are connected in serial. Since lithium batteries have a nominal voltage of 3.7 volt, if you want a voltage higher than this, you can obtain a higher voltage through a serial connection. Parallel means connecting the positive terminals together and the negative terminals together. The abbreviation P is used. So, 3P means 3 batteries are connected in parallel. This means the capacity increases, not the battery voltage. Now, let's learn about PCM. PCM stands for Protection Circuit Module. It focuses solely on battery protection. Its role is to protect the battery from worst-case scenarios by cutting off charging, turning overcharging, and cutting off discharging, turning over-discharging. BMS stands for Battery Management System. It includes the battery protection functions of the PCM and can additionally manage the battery. It also has a cell balancing function. When using only one battery, using a PCM is fine. You only need to manage charging and discharging. Let's assume there is a 3S battery pack. Even if they are all charged to 4.3 volt, the voltage of each cell becomes different due to natural self-discharge. If you charge with a PCM circuit at this time, they will be charged while unbalanced. This can pose a serious risk to battery life. However, if you use a BMS, it balances the cells. This is the connection method for the BMS. In addition to the final positive and negative terminals, balance wires are connected in between so that the BMS can recognize the battery voltage balance. This is the method by which the BMS adjusts the voltage balance of the battery pack. Also, if you use a high-end BMS, you can monitor additional data like temperature and humidity. In this video, we learned about BMS and PCM. Next time, we will look at the process of making a battery pack together. If the video was useful, please subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching.